Welcome back once again to howtocreatefood.com. Today we'll show you how to make this chicken chow mein. This is so simple and so delicious. So as you can notice, all of those ingredients I will introduce to you now. This is canton noodles I soaked to the water, cold water, long beans, cauliflower, snap beans, broccoli, soya sauce, garlic and ginger, chicken breast, which is I cut into strips, red onion, salt and ground black pepper, and of course we will use some cooking oil and water. As you can notice, there's a lot of vegetables involved in this, but most of the restaurant and home delivery, drive-through, they're just using onions and garlic and chicken noodles. But for me, this is my version of chicken chow mein. Let's start cooking. Okay, let's do this our chicken chow mein. We have a wok in here, hot oil. Now the garlic and ginger. The red onion. Chicken breast, just we will cook the chicken breast for a few minutes and then we will add the rest of the vegetables. Okay, our chicken is done. Make sure while you are cooking this Asian dishes or any stir fry, your wok is in the high heat so that you can cook it easily. Now, cauliflower, broccoli, snap seed, and the beans. Again, stir. So we will leave this for a few minutes and then I will add a little cold water. Okay, now we will add now some cold water. The purpose of this, to soften our cauliflower and the snap beans, because those vegetables are a little bit hard, not the same as broccoli and the beans. Once the water is evaporate, we will add the noodles. So now we'll add the soya sauce, pinch of salt and ground black pepper. Again stir. So we will wait this to become dry and then we will add the noodles. And that's it. Okay guys, this is already dry. Now we will add our noodles. So I have to strain this. Yes. And then we'll mix this for a few minutes. 3 minutes maximum. And this is ready to serve. It's up to you if you want your chicken chow mein. There's a little bit kick. If you want, you can add some red chili or green chili. I will put now this to the plate and I will present to you to the table. Okay, this is is our finished product, chicken chow mein. This is good for 2 persons. This is so delicious. Now if you want big volume of chicken chow mein, the vegetables, you can blanch it, you can boil the cauliflower, the snap beans and the broccoli. You know, because this is only small portion, that's why I cook it directly to the wok. As I said, if you need a big volume, big family, or for the restaurant, you can boil all or blanching all the vegetables. Thank you for watching to howtogreatfood.com. See you next time. Bye.